RV park is definitely not a resort. It's just a good old-fashioned, no-frills country campground. Now, it does have a general store on site, so you do have provisions if you'd like to do a one-night stay and not unhitch. I will say if you don't unhitch, which is what I did this last time, there's not much in walking distance unless you go to Salt Creek Recreational Area, which is absolutely beautiful. Now, I've been to this area on several occasions, and I've done some sightseeing. There are some things worth seeing here. They're both about 30 miles in the opposite direction. Now, I found the Shasta Dam tour as interesting, if not more interesting, than the Hoover Dam tour. It's well worth seeing. Now, if you go 30 minutes south to Redding, there's Turtle Bay and the Sundial Bridge. Turtle Bay has a terrific art museum and some exhibits throughout the park. And then the Sundial Bridge is sort of a modern architectural marvel. You can have a fine day going either direction. So that said, it's a great location if you want to spend a couple or 3 nights, but it can be a little pricey without Passport America. Passport America, of course, is a 50% off club, and for this one-night stay, that's what I use. At the time of this recording, the normal rate to stay here is $60 per night, $30 if you use Passport America. Now, their terms are you can only use Passport America one night. So what does that mean? Well, you can pay one night Passport America and one night full price. And you know what? It works out to about $45 a night if you want to stay 2 nights and do a little bit of sightseeing. So when it's all said and done, I would probably come back to this park. I give Trail and RV Park a 1 to 3 night rating. Now, if you don't already have a Passport America membership, I do highly recommend it. It's 50% off. Now, each campground has their own terms and conditions. For instance, this one has a 1-night max, but you only need to use 2 or 3 nights per year to make the membership worth it. If you'd like to find out more or sign up today, go ahead and click the link in my description. If you found this information helpful, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. All right, guys, that's all I got for now. Safe travels, and I'll see you next time.